Hi there, welcome back. This is my BMW M3, part of the Diff rebuild. I'm now going to put some new bushes back in here. These are the old bushes here, which have deteriorated all in here. They've got like a sponge material, as you can see. They've all deteriorated. You can't buy those. Well, I couldn't find any. You can't buy these on their own. So the only ones I could find that will do the job are these ones here. These ones here, which are PB Bilstein. That's the brand. That's the part number. And these are got rubber rather than the sponge. They'll probably be a bit softer, but I'm not fussed with that. You know, I'm not trachydating or doing anything like that. So I'm just going to replace them with these. One one note to make is that these holes are oval here. You have a look. So what I've done is I've marked where the oval is here. Although there are little pegs in here, if you have a look, 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, which orientates it like this. So what I've done is I've put a mark on there, so when I'm pressing it in, hopefully it's going to be in line. So and what I've done is I've put a little chamfer on here, a little lead, so that it'll help it go in. So anyway, here we go. Let's see if this works. Put that on there. That's all lined up. There we go. What I'm going to do is just needs to go a bit more. It's got to be slightly below that ridge there. So I'm going to just change the pressing tool to a smaller size, so I can just get it below. There we go, that's it. Perfect. That's lined up. So there it is, one fitted placement bush. You can see it's flush here. Probably do with a bit more, but I think I'm happy with that. It's below the little, there's a lead on here. There's a slight lead on here. So anyway, hope that's helpful for you. Bye.